Now, there are so many AI tools out there. One of them is Meta AI. This is from the parent company of Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. And in Meta AI, if you want to turn any photo into a video, you can do that. In this video, we'll be talking about how to generate videos from any photo in Meta AI. For this, open the Meta AI application. It's available in the Play Store and App Store. When you're opening it, you can see some reels. If you're seeing reels here, you can see a button like this. Click on this button. When you're clicking on it, you'll reach a page like this to generate a video from any photo. Either click on Create Video from my photo. When you're clicking on that, you'll reach your gallery. Or down here, you can see one plus button. Click on this plus button. When you're clicking on that, here you can see the gallery option. Click on Gallery. Then also, you'll reach your gallery. From the gallery, select any photo. For example, I'm selecting this photo. After that, here you can see a pencil-like button. Click on this button. When you're clicking on that, here you can see the Animate option. Click on Animate. When you're clicking on that, you'll be asked to enter a prompt. When you're giving the prompt, you should give maximum details. Then only you'll get better results. Anyways, after that, click on the Send button. When you're clicking on that, Meta AI will generate one video for you. And one thing is that you don't need to upload photos from the gallery. You can ask Meta AI to generate one photo for you. And after generating that photo, if you're clicking on that photo, you can see the same Animate option. After clicking on that, you can give prompt. And when you're giving the prompt, you'll get that video. So uploading a photo isn't necessary. And anyways, now here you can see one video has been generated. And if you want to make any edits, here you can see the Edit option. Click on Edit and you can change this prompt. And here you can see the Extend option. If you want to increase the length, click on Extend, and this length will be increased. And if you want to add any effects, click on Effects and you can add effects. And there's a Restyle option. If you want to change the style of this video, you can do that here. For example, Cyberpunk, Desert Rave, Chicken, and so many options are there. From this, you can select whichever option you want. And anyways, after that, if you want to save this video, above you can see the Share button. Click on the Share button, and here you can see the Save option. Click on Save and it'll be saved to your phone. So this way, you can easily generate videos from any photo in Meta AI. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.